ready to turn your Temu shopping habit into a passive income stream. First, let's dive into the power of referrals. Open your Temu app and navigate to the Earn section. You'll usually find a dedicated referral program there. Tapping on it will generate your unique referral code or link. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to share this link with friends, family, or your online community. When they sign up through your link and make a purchase, you earn rewards. These rewards can be cash, credits, or even free items, almost effortlessly. The key is to make it easy for them. Share in relevant Facebook groups, on Instagram stories, or even in a quick text message to someone who loves a good deal. Focus on the amazing prices and variety Temu offers, and your shares will naturally convert. Next, keep an eye out for Temu's constant promotions and giveaways. They frequently run events where you can earn by completing simple tasks, like inviting friends to play a game within the app or by reaching certain spending thresholds. These are designed to be quick wins. Participate actively in these limited offers often. All it takes is a few clicks or a quick invite. The platform is geared towards making earning as straightforward as possible during these events. For those looking for an even more hands-off approach, consider exploring automated tools or bots designed to interact with the Temu platform. These can sometimes be configured to participate in eligible promotions or even manage referral sharing, further maximizing your passive income potential without constant manual intervention. Always ensure any tool you use is reputable and complies with Temu's terms of service. By strategically leveraging referrals, engaging with easy promotions, and potentially utilizing automation, you're well on your way to generating effortless passive income streams directly from your Temu experience. Happy earning!